What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you into Huck's World, and today, people, we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. The weekend is here. It's time to get super casual. Now, this one is going to be a nice download, especially considering that the watch face is going to be free for the taking. So, ladies, if you're going to be hanging out with the girls, and guys, if you're going to be hanging out at the barbecue, this is going to be a nice, super casual dress down watch face to wear over the weekend. All right? Remember, it's free for the taking. I don't know how long this free one will last. Now, the watch face is called Chester 1. In the AOD mode, I like the look. I like that it still gives you that analog thing. And also, the text really stands out in this mode. It really looks nice to me. Once the watch face is on, if you take a look at the background, you got a carbon fiber look. Very nice, really brings out the watch face. I do like the fun analog hands that comes with this watch face, along with the ticking red second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now, the developer put his name up there. That's not a bad look at all. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on that. Also, you get a battery meter to the left, and you go over to your right, you're going to get your dates surrounded by the days of the week. I always like that look. You're also going to get a couple of shortcuts, your music player. You're going to also be able to go into your SL and set an alarm. Now, you go all the way down to the bottom. That's your step status info. For those of you all who are going to be keeping up with your steps over the weekend, this is nice. It's going to give you your steps, miles walked or ran, and your heart rate information. Now, the watch face is interactive, right? So you could tap on a lot of the icons and pull up the information that you're seeking, like your music player. If you're going to be on your run and you want to get to your music, you can do that. Same thing with S-Voice if you use S-Voice. And also you can go in and set an alarm as well. And same thing for your steps and your heart rate. So I thought this was a good look for a free watch face. And even if it was a paid watch face, like if the guy charged $1, this is still a nice look for a casual wear. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Enjoy family and friends. But remember, people, always be safe. All right, hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.